Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you an unboxing video of the Scrap Diva Designs July release. Thank you Erica for sending me these dies. You can find these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting July 5th, 2025 and get a 10% discount using the code PRESTREMIC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have a jelly bag mini tote, and this jelly bag mini tote is really super cute because it's really tiny, thus it's called mini, and it has diamond patterns in the middle, and then there's like squares on the side, and so there's 2 pages to this set. So you're seeing here is the first page, and then the second page is behind this first page. So yes, super awesome. And so now we're on to the second die set, and the second die set is called Gift Pouch Small, and this gift pouch is like probably like this tall and then this wide. It's like the size of my palm, and so I think it's like really neat looking kind of die set. So can't wait to show you how it's gonna look. And there's 3 sizes to this. There's the small one, and there's the option of getting a medium one and a large one. And it comes with this part here for the top, I guess, here. And next we have the swap pocket set. There's also 2 pages on this set, and so I just like so excited because the second page has this rectangular scalloped kind of backing to the swap pocket set. And let's see what else it has. It also has an oval hole at the top of that square thing, the square rectangular scallop, and also you can attach the ribbons on that oval hole. And there's also a word called enjoy included with flowers, and the flowers have 3 petals in the sizes of small, medium, and large size, with leaves and 2 styles here. You see one that's like a branch like this, and this one is probably for the flowers, like you can just plop the flower on top or something. So we have like these ones here like that, and this is the pocket, and it's really nice. It has these stitched pieces for your pattern paper or whatever it is that you can put onto your pocket. It's really nice, and it's really big. It's almost the size of this like paper that you see here. It's a little bit tinier, so yeah, it's pretty big. You can put lots of things in the swap pocket. I'm so excited to make something out of this. And next up we have this one. This one's called Summer Banner, and the Summer Banner has 2 styles. One style is this beach umbrella, and then another style is this crab. So you'd layer this on top of the umbrella here. There's like several layers for this umbrella, and then you put it on to the strip, this banner. And then the crabs is also like over on top of here. And then this one is the Croc shoe mini album, and it also has 2 pages. So the second page has another outline, a more detailed outline of this shoe and this Croc shoe. And so I believe some of the designs are for the shoe, and I think there's like hearts in here too as well. So little hearts, they're like tiny hearts on here, and it's like super adorable, the shoe, and it's like just in time for summer. And here's another summer related die set, and they're called umbrella shakers. How cute is this? And there's a small one and a large one, and here are like the shaker parts to it. And then we have this A2 Victorian Oval. This A2 Victorian Oval has many different, they have like many different leaves, and it's really super beautiful. This time this part is on the side here instead of the top, and it has 2 layering pieces here to make it look more 3D when you layer it. And let's see what else. Let me take a look. We have, oh yes, there's some flowers here. They're like 3 different sizes, like they're sort of like flowers, petals, like 4-leaf flower petals. And so there's different sizes there, so many different ways to embellish this frame. I like how it's including the little flowers in here, so it'll look super, it'll look super nice. And next up we have this Maze Memorydex card. This Maze Memorydex card has the words "You're amazing," and it's in the shape of a Memorydex card. It's like super neat, and you can put a little small pearl ball in here, and it'll just like yeah, it's a really complex maze, which yeah, it'll have like a lot of time to figure it out. I'm still figuring it out. It looks like there's a exit here. So yeah, it's so cool. It's fun. And next up we have this Croc shoe Memorydex card. And it's super cute. Look how cute this Croc shoe Memorydex, because it has these balloon dogs and hearts, stars, and the lightning bolt. And you can add it onto this shoe here. It's super cute, and it's in the form of a Memorydex card. And yeah, it's great for your Memorydex collection. So here's a Memorydex, and then this one. It's like you can put it in a box with lots of different Memorydex cards. It's like super awesome. Yeah, and let's move on to the next set. The next set is called Retro Words, and there's quite a bit of words in here, and I love how there's different pictures within the words. Like this peace sign has a peace sign in the middle, and here's another one, love, with the peace sign in there, and the words look really super groovy. So I'll read out what the words are. And this one says peace, retro, good vibes, only, disco, and then we have flower power. I think there's like a, yeah, there's like a flower here. And then this one says, let's see what this one, hippie soul, and then this one says groovy, and let's roll, and love. Super awesome. Oh yes, and this is great for because there was a groovy theme, I believe, a month or 2 ago, so it'll be great on those projects to add these words on there. There was like a peace sign mini album, and then there was a retro van, and yeah, many and then we had like retro keychain shakers, so it's nice to have words for those projects, addition of those projects. So, and then now we're going to move on to the summer words, and this is summer words number 2, and summer words is coming up. Summer words number 1 is coming up after summer words number 2, and so this one it's like 2025 summer words, And so I'll just read out what consists in the number 2 set is good, relax, vibes, beach, please, and vacation. And then Summer Words 1 2025 set, we have hello, adventure awaits, sun-kissed, flip-flops, summer memories, and sunshine. And yeah, I have so many summer beach collections. I just don't know which one to use. So like, yeah, maybe the Smile for Miles. I also have Maggie Holmes, the very old collection that I forgot what it's called already. And then I have Just Beachy from Simple Stories, and then yeah, it's just so many different themes. And I got a digital collection from the AC, I think it's called AC Digitals, and it's also beach themed from American Crafts, and that one was an older collection too, and I loved it too. So there's so many different options for this release, and I'm still debating. So anyways, let's move on to the next metal die set. We have this 3D Beach Tote, and this 3D Beach Tote has 2 pages as well, and it's really pretty. If you like go, like if I put this closer, you can see the patterns on this beach tote is so pretty, and it's 3D as well, so you can put lots of your embellies, lots of goodies inside this like beach tote, and it's just super awesome. And next up we have this butterfly mini album number 2. This butterfly mini album number 2 is so pretty. So it also has 2 pages. And so the second page has a big butterfly, just like this butterfly here, but it's like big. And yeah, it's really awesome. I just love butterflies, so I can't wait to make something out of this. And I just came out with a butterfly tutorial too, so yeah. And so next up we have this 3D carousel tray, and I'm like super excited. Anything that has to do with carousels and anything that is amusement park or fair themed, I'm like so into. So yeah, we have this 3D carousel tray, and it's also 2 pages here, so can't wait to make something and show you. And here we have the lemon slice mini album, and it also has 2 pages here. And so the slice is like a lemon, and it's on the second page, and it has like a choice between like 2 different patterns of the lemon slice page. And so this part I think is the binding part, and then you stick the lemon piece on here and here, so the covers. And then yeah, I will show you the projects once I complete it, and I think it'll look so great. And it includes these butterflies here. Some of them are like side view, and then the frontal view of the butterfly, and look how detailed these butterflies are. They're just so awesome. And I have made so many lemon projects from, I believe, last year, also from Scrapdivadesigns, and they had like lemon slices, and I just went to town that time when they had so many lemon things, and I made some lemon soda bottles, and they had a soda bottle shaker, and so I made it into the lemon theme, and then they had a lemonade pitcher, and so it'll be so great to add all of these into here. So hopefully, yeah, it's a pretty big album, like the this lemon slice mini album. Even though it says mini, it's like quite, yeah, it's quite decent size. And finally we have this flower number 2. Look how pretty it is, and I love the details on the petals, and I just love how there's so many petals on here. There's like 3, 6, 8 petals, so it'll look extra intricate, and I just love it when the flowers have like lots of petals on there. And so yeah, lots of layering on this, and there's like different sizes as well, as you can see here. And this, you can make flowers as well, or you can make them as stamens and put them in the middle. So yeah, that's about it for this July 2025 release. It's quite a big release. There's like 19 sets here. So yeah, can't wait to show you. Thank you for watching, and I'll put my code pastramic10 for 10% off your entire purchase. Thank you. See you again. Toodaloo.